She was texting you fast, replying instantly, laughing at your jokes, maybe even showing clear interest, and then suddenly, silence. No replies, no effort, no explanation. And now you're sitting there confused, replaying every message, wondering, what did I do wrong? But here's the truth most men never understand. Her interest didn't disappear randomly. Something shifted in her mind. And if you don't understand this shift, you will keep losing women right after they show interest. Today, I'll break down exactly why she ignores you after showing interest from a real female psychology perspective. Point 1. Interest is not commitment. One of the biggest mistakes men make is assuming if she showed interest, she is mine. That's not how it works. At the beginning, female interest is not commitment, it's evaluation. She is watching how you respond, how confident you are, whether you chase or stay grounded, whether you have a life beyond her attention. So when she shows interest, she is not choosing you yet, she is testing you. And if during that phase you become too available, too eager, or too predictable, something changes in her mind. Curiosity disappears, and when curiosity dies, she slowly disappears too. Point 2, you changed energy too fast. Most men don't lose her at the start. They lose her when they change. At first you were calm, slightly mysterious, not overly available. Then she showed interest, and everything shifted. You started replying faster, giving more effort than her, overthinking every message, getting emotionally attached too early. From her perspective, it feels like, I had him too easily. And easy is not attractive for long, because attraction is not just about words. It's about effort, tension, and value. When you remove that challenge too quickly, she emotionally steps back. Not because she hates you, but because the feeling changed. Point 3, you gave neediness instead of emotion. Women don't stay connected to logic. They stay connected to emotion. When she showed interest, she expected playful tension, confidence, emotional control. A man who stays grounded, but what she started receiving was overthinking, constant texting, fear of losing her need for reassurance. And here's the harsh truth. Neediness doesn't create love. It creates pressure, and pressure always destroys attraction, because in her mind, your role changes from someone interesting to someone emotionally dependent, and once that shift happens, she slowly pulls away without explanation. Point 4, the mystery disappeared. Attraction always needs uncertainty. When she first met you, there was mystery. Does he like me or not? What is he thinking? Why is he not chasing too much? That uncertainty creates emotional excitement. But when you become too available, too predictable, too expressive, that mystery disappears. And when nothing feels uncertain anymore, nothing feels exciting either. So she starts replying less, engaging less, and eventually disappearing. Not because she suddenly lost interest, but because nothing inside her feels stimulated anymore. Point 5. Her attention shifted naturally. Another truth men don't like to accept. She is not emotionally isolated. She has friends, social attention, daily distractions, other conversations, life changes happening. So when your emotional position is not fully strong, her attention can shift easily, not because you are less, but because you were never fully secured in her emotional priority. What you should not do when she starts ignoring you, most men panic and destroy everything. Double texting, asking why she is ignoring you, sending emotional messages, trying harder to fix it. But all of this creates one thing in her mind: pressure. And pressure kills attraction instantly. What you should do instead. The correct response is simple: stop chasing immediately. Match her energy, stay calm and detached. Focus on your own life. Let silence do the work. Because here is the psychological truth. A woman doesn't reevaluate a man when he is chasing her. She reevaluates him when he is absent. If her interest was real, distance brings curiosity back. If it wasn't, you still protect your dignity. Either way, you win. Final message. If she ignores you after showing interest, it doesn't always mean you did something wrong. But it always means one thing: something in the emotional dynamic changed. Either you became too available, you became too predictable, or you became too emotionally invested too fast. Attraction is not about chasing, it's about balance between interest and independence. The moment that balance is lost, she slowly fades away. And the moment you restore it, you become interesting again. If this video helped you understand female psychology more clearly, don't just leave it here. Subscribe to the channel for more deep breakdowns on attraction, mindset, and modern dating psychology. And if you want to support this content and help me create more videos like this, use the super thanks button below the video. I truly appreciate it. Now comment below, I understand now if this made sense to you, because awareness is the first step to change.